Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on the Score app. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to my merch store. I work with different artists to create cool and original fan art. I sell clothes, pillows, and many different accessories. Please check out my store to support the channel and the artists I work with. You can find the link to my store on the top of the comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to your video. We'll begin by opening up the Score app, which is this right here. So I'll click on it to open it. Once you have it opened, look on the bottom. Do you see over here where it says Get Started? You want to click on that. All right, and then it's going to ask choose your favorite league. I'll go with basketball and football and some college football right there. All right, and then click on where it says Continue. And then it's asking you, do you want to enable your location? I usually don't care that much, but so I click on enable, and then it's asking me. You guys don't see this, but on my side, it's asking me if I want to enable it once or while I'm using, or just don't enable at all. I'm gonna choose the second option where I will allow the location when I'm using the app. Okay. Once I do that, this comes up, and then choose your favorite team. I'm in ISU alumni, so I'll choose that. Let's see. Let's go with the Bulls. No. Let's see. Go with Baltimore, and then I'll click on continue. And then it's asking me to choose what kind of notifications I want to receive. So choose whatever notifications that you would like, and click on yes, send me alerts. And it's asking me, do you want to allow notifications? I'll click on allow. Okay, and there's Score messaging, blah blah blah. And then once I get this page, I'll let me say later, because those are just advertisements. And then I'll click on close out of that. And then if you look over here on the upper left hand corner, do you see this person icon? So I'll click on that. This should take me to my profile and stuff. Click close out of that, and then click over here where it says sign up. So I'll click on that, and then it's gonna ask me for my first name. I'll do KahindoTech, and then last name Inc, and then email support KahindoTech.com, and then the password. And you guys won't see this, but I'm typing my password right now. And a good password is usually 8 characters long, include at least one uppercase and one lowercase character, and then include a number and one special character. So like the $, pound, stuff like that. All right, so I'm typing in my password right now. All right, once I've typed that out, I can click on sign up. And there you go. That's how you can create an account on the Score app. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.